Every day, your customers are living with unanswered question, and every time they leave, that's a sale you just lost. Writing FAQ manually is slow, support ticket pile up, and most store just skip it. Shopper need answer before they buy. Without them, your conversation rate suffers silently. Introducing FAQio, the AI FAQ builder built for Shopify. Paste your product description, click generate FAQio, write 5 to 15 ready to publish FAQs in seconds. Edit, reorder, or add your own, then publish. You can add FAQ for individual products, so every product page get exactly the answer it needs. FAQio automatically add SEO schema markup, so your FAQs can appear directly in Google search result. More visibility, more traffic. Install in one click from the Shopify App Store. No coding, no developer needed. Choose your according style, modern, minimal, or classic to match your brand perfectly. And on mobile, it's look just as sharp. Your customer get instant answer wherever they shop. Stop losing sales to unanswered question. FAQ is free to install, and your first FAQ goes live in under minutes. Install FAQio today. Available now on the Shopify App Store.